channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class, and that has been the classes your 167th class of the session. In terms of quantitative aptitude, we had even though started with arithmetical ability. We are on 15th topic, that is time and work. Lastly, what we had done is your chain rule and partnership we had completed. You can go ahead and you will find up the videos as well. In terms of time and work, we had even though done your 74th question in the last classes, and if you had not visited that, you can just go ahead and you will find out the video there as well. Coming towards your in this class we'll start discussing about the 75th question of the session. So before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. So the question 75th, we have 10 men and 15 women together can complete a work in 6 days. It takes 100 days for one man alone to complete the same work. How many days will be required for one woman alone to complete the same work? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. The options were 90, 125, 145, 150 and none of these. So we go for the same. Ten men and 15 women together can complete a work in 6 days. It takes 100 days for one man. "100 days for one man alone to complete the same work." How many days will be required for one woman alone to complete the same work? This has been asked in bank PO. So the options were the same as 90, 125, 145, 150 and none of these. So here we go for the solution here. So before starting with the solution, we'll be solving it out. It's a huge request. If you're not able to not seen fast, you cannot see my solution. You will do by your own side. If you're not able to solve it out, yes, you can see my solution as well. That for each and every question I am providing you the solution, so you can just go for the same. But before that, you will have to do by your own. So let's go for it. Then a question: one man's 1 day's work one upon 100. 10 men plus 15 women's 1 day's work equals to 1/6. So 15 women 1 day's work equals to 1/6 minus 10 upon 100 equals to 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 10, that is equals to 1 upon 15. Now one woman's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 225. So one woman alone can complete the work in 225 days. Now we go for the next question, that is being the 76th question of the session. The question is 12 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days while 15 women can complete the same work in 4 days. 6 men start working on the job and after working for 2 days all of them stopped working. How many women should be put on the job to complete the remaining work if it is to be completed in 3 days? This has been asked in the SBI question paper. The options were 15, 18, 22, data inadequate, none of these. So we'll go for it. So we go for the same here. 12 men can complete a piece of work in 4 days while 15 women can complete the same work in 4 days. Six men start working on the job and after working 2 days all of them stopped working. How many women should be put on the job to complete the remaining work if it is to be completed in 3 days? This has been asked in SBI PO question paper. So the options is 15, 18, 22, data inadequate and none of these. So we go for the same here. We'll find it out. one man's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 48. One woman one day's work equals to 1 upon 60. So 6 men 2 days work equals to 6 upon 48 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, then 2 threes are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. It will be 1 upon 4. Remaining work equals to 1 minus 1 upon 4, which is equals to 3 upon 4. Now 1 upon 60 work is done in 1 day by one woman. So 3 by 4 work will be done by 60 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. It will be 15 women. Now we talk about for the another one, which is the another important question here, is 77th question of the session, that we have as follows. Although the question is 12 children take 16 days to complete a work which can be completed by 8 adults in 12 days. 16 adults started working, and after 3 days 10 adults left and 4 children joined them. How many days will they take to complete the remaining work? The options are 3, 4, 6, 8 and none of these. So we go for the same. Twelve children take 16 days to complete a work which can be completed by 8 adults in 12 days. Sixteen adults started working. And after 3 days, ten adults left and 4 children joined them. how many days will they take? Take to complete the remaining work. Options were 3, 4, 6, 8 and none of these. So we go for it. And that what we'll have to answer it out as well. Here we go. So with the same we go for it. So here, one child, 1 day's work. 77th question. Solution we do. One child, 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 192. One adult, 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 96. Work done in 3 days. So here, 6 months, 2 days work. Equals to 6 upon 48 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. It will be 1 upon 4. Remaining work, one minus 1 upon 4 equals to 3 upon 4. Now 1 upon 60 work is done in 1 day by 1 woman. So 3 by 4 work will be done in 3 days by 60 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6 and 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 30. So we'll get here. So with the same, so we'll do the 77th question again, so because that has been mistaken. So one child, 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 192, and one adult, 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 96. So work done in 3 days. One upon 96 into 16 into 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. 16 ones are 16 and 16 twos are 32. So we'll get 1 by 2. Remaining work, equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. So 6 adults plus 4 children 1 day's work. 6/96 plus 4/192, which will be 1/12. 1/12 work is done by them in 1 day. So 1/2 work is done by them 12 into 1/2, which is equals to 6 days that we have here. Now we talk about for the another question that is of course been important one, and that has been the 78th question of the session. So we'll go for the same. 78th question of the sessions that we have here is 10 women can complete a work in 7 days and 10 children take 14 days to complete the work. How many days will 5 women and 10 children take to complete the work? Options were 3, 5, 7 cannot be determined, none of these. And this has been the question has been asked in the bank PO question paper, so that is also been important one. So we go for the same 78th question of the session. Ten women can complete a work in 7 days and 10 children take 14 days to complete the work. How many days will 5 women and 10 children take to complete the work? This has been asked in bank PO. So we go for the same. One woman's 1 day's work. One day's work equals to 1/70. One child's 1 day's work equals to 1/140. So 5 women plus 10 children's 1 day's work. One day's work equals to 5/70 plus 10/140, which is equals to 1/14 plus 1/14 equals to 1/7. So 5 women and 10 children will complete the work in 7 days. Now we go for the next one, which is mainly another important question, and that is also being an important one too. We go for 79th question of the session, and the question we have: 16 men can complete a work in 12 days, 24 children can complete the same work in 18 days. 12 men and 8 children started working, and after 8 days 3 more children joined them. How many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? The options were 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, 8 days, and none of these that we have to discuss here, and which is of course an important one. So here we go for the next, and that is the another important question. So we go for it. 16 men can complete, which is your 79th question. So here we go. 16 men can complete a work in 12 days. Twenty-four children can complete the same work on 18 days. Twelve men and 8 children started working, and after 8 days 3 more children three more children join them. How many days will they now? How many days will they now take to complete the remaining work? Options were 2 days, 4 days, 6 days, 8 days, and none of these. So we go for the same here. So here we go. 79th question solution that we have. One man's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 192. One child's 1 day's work equals to 1 upon 432. Work done in 8 days equals to 8 12 upon 192 plus 8 upon 432, which is equals to 8 1 upon 16 plus 1 upon 54, that is equals to 35 upon 54. Remaining work equals to 1 minus 35 upon 54 equals to 19 upon 54. 12 men plus 11 children one day's work equals to 12 upon 192 plus 11 upon 432 equals to 19 upon 216. Now 19 upon 216, work is done by them. Work is done by them in one day. 19 upon 54, work will be done by them in 216 upon 19 into 19 upon 54, which is equals to 4 days that we have. Now we go for next one, which is being the another important question, and that we'll discuss in the next coming classes, which is of 80th class of 168 question class of the session. Here we go and end up with, so we had completed your chemistry part 1 for class 11th NCERT. Part 2 we are dealing with. Part 3 is part 1 we are dealing here. We had done your reasoning, which is your verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. We had done DVBMS, CBNST, English vocabulary. Coming towards arithmetical ability, that is your quantitative aptitude has been divided into two: arithmetical ability and the data interpretation, where we had done your numbers, the CF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sorts and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, Bible system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clocks, stocks and shares, permutations and combination, probability, to discount, bankers, discount, height and distance, odd man out series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box.